This is Thoth. He's one of my PixieBobs. I have 6 of them. Thoth is an extreme polydactyl. He has 7 toes. And look, check out the cross on his back. He also knows how to open up his little FRISKIES. He rolls it over and he knows how to open it up. He chews on it. You can see the cross on his back pretty good. The veterinarian said that they have thousands of cats and never seen one like this. He had a kitten that had one as well. He's got 2 thumbs, and he's actually, I've seen him pick up a pencil before, a couple times actually. It's pretty cool. Here, Thoth. He's a baby. He was born last year on April Fool's Day. Whoops, here comes another one. Here comes Maya. She wants to join in. My brothers are about 25, 26 pounds. Thoth right here on the right, he's my male. He's about 15, 16 pounds right now. And the female here, she's only about 9. She was born a little bit later. Her name is Maya, means the veil, the illusion. Thoth, here, buddy. Try to get an idea of his paws here. He's got 2 thumbs and then 1 in between. So he's got 7 toes. They're pretty big. Almost looks like he's got 2 feet going on.